Hi everyone, I hope you're all staying safe and well and washing those hands. My hands are getting quite dry with all this washing. Haven't got a baby with me today, but I'm out in the garden having a coffee. And look at that sky. It's like yesterday was really chilly, today is going to be beautiful. 25 degrees. It's like there's a naughty angel up there turning the thermostat up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm sure it's my dad. It's his kind of sense of humour. Anyway, I thought while I was sitting out in the garden, and as I said, I haven't got a baby with me, I'm just having a coffee, but I thought you'd like to hear the birds. It's just beautiful. And I wanted to start a new tag. And that is, can you remember your first kiss? Let's have a drink of my coffee. Yeah, can you remember your very first kiss and what it was like? I do. It was awful. Absolutely awful. My brother, who sadly died last year, he had a football team that he used to run because he was a very good footballer, but he was badly injured. He used to play for Reading, their second team, and he was just going to go into the first team, and he had a really bad injury, which meant he couldn't go professional, which was a real bummer for him because he loved football, he lived for it. And so he decided to run. Oh, listen to that bird. Absolutely beautiful. He decided to run, let me just change hands so I can get my coffee. He decided to run a football team for the local lads and train them. And I used to go up and watch them. There's nothing better than watching a lot of young boys in shorts, is there? Especially when you're 14. And there was a couple of boys there that I really liked. And one of them asked my brother if I'd go on a date. And I said I would. And we were just going to go for a walk. It wasn't anything, wonderful. So when he came to pick me up, he arrived with his friend, which was a bit weird, and I was a bit worried about going for a walk with two young boys, but I thought it'd be okay. I was pretty naive, I didn't know what went on anyway, so my mum just told me to be careful, keep my hand on my 8-bunch, and so we went for a walk, and then when we walked back home, I could tell that his mate, he took him to one side, he was kind of giving him a talking to. Can you see that bird at the top of the tree? And he decided he was going to give me a kiss. Well, he came across and asked if it was okay for him to give me a kiss, which I thought was quite nice. And then he proceeded to kiss me as if he was trying to rub my face out. I'm not joking. His head was backwards and forwards on my mouth. And it really hurt and made me feel quite sick, actually. And I was glad to get out of that, shall we say, embrace. It wasn't much of an embrace, but you can tell that I never saw him again. So yeah, not a very good first kiss, and I thought, wow, if that's kissing, you can keep it. So yeah, I hope that you join in and do my tag, and I hope you have a good think it's Memorial Day in America. And we're having our bank holiday, which I'm reliably informed is to give the banks a rest, by my dear friend Jonathan. So thank you so much, Jonathan, for looking that up for me. Mwah, you're a sweetheart. I love that bird. The song thrush, I think. So yeah, have a good rest of your day and enjoy. I would say enjoy the sunshine, but it's just blue skies. Look at that. The sunshine is round the other side of the house. So I'll just say bye-bye and let you listen to the birds. Mwah. Love you, ladies and gentlemen.